Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is me, Angel. Sa inyo yung mga dapat na mga things to do if you're going to purchase a MacBook Air. So ano ba yung mga dapat natin malaman? So tingnan natin at abangan. Ang box na natin. So pabibila tayo. So ganoon talaga, pabibila ako laki magagawa. Hi guys, welcome back. So, I'm going to show you my new laptop. This is a MacBook Air. The background of your laptop. So, pwede kayong kumuha ng mga background sa laptop and you can save it and then you're going to put it here on the desktop. Click System Preference and then click Desktop Background and Screensaver if you would like to change your background on your desktop and screensaver. You can check your Instagram and Facebook using Safari link. You can download weather widget if you would like to have an update regarding the weather. You can display your weather widget on the desktop. You can see it on the left side. You can also watch Netflix. Also connect your laptop sa TV. For example, meron kayong Samsung TV or playing games, then i-connect mo siya sa TV. So, ayan, pwede yun. Without any connect or cord connector, meron lang siya, you have to setting lang dito, then i-connect mo siya sa TV. So, I'm going to show you later yun. And ano pa? So, you can also download games, different types of games. Mabilis naman siya. You can also play games. You can check different types of games on the Apple Store. At the upper right bottom of your laptop, you have to click Screen Mirroring. It's now connected to my Samsung TV.